Now we're going to talk about the strategies for solving equations and inequalities that have absolute values. We want to write the strategy down to help us remember it and kind of give us a big picture. Very first thing is to isolate your absolute value. Okay, and here's our cases. Okay, say we have absolute value of something or other is equal to a number. Okay, we need to write two equations. We draw off the absolute value. We'll have whatever's inside equal to the number, or we'll have whatever's inside equal to the exact opposite of that number. And there's one case that is a weird case. If this number is less than 0, that means our distance is equal to a negative number, then there's no solution. Okay, let's do absolute value of whatever ends up being less than a number. It could be less than or equal to, same deal. Okay, this one we get a sandwich. We're going to have whatever's in the absolute value, drop the absolute values. It's going to be less than that number, or it's greater than the opposite of that number. Okay, the weird case is if your number is less than 0, then you have a distance is less than 0, which never happens, so it's empty set. Now, our last case, we have if the absolute value of whatever is greater than a number. Here we split. We're going to get two inequalities. We'll have whatever's inside there is greater than the number, or whatever was in there has to be less than the opposite of that number. And the weird case is if our number is less than 0, that means we have a distance is greater than a negative number. That's always true. So our solution would be all real numbers.